Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Exam Cracks. Friends, today is a very big news for you and it is a very good news for all candidates who are preparing for especially for banking examination. And here is the news is IBPS released a notification for clerical examination. So guys, it's a very good news. And what is the process, what is written in the notification. I will discuss in depth analysis what is written here in the notification, which is of 56 pages friends, 56 pages. But I will discuss you most important topics which you required in filling the notification, in filling the online form. And what are the syllabus, what are the syllabus, and what are the process of selection process, what are the syllabus of pre mains, whatever in the notification which is most relevant for you, I will discuss here. So friends, one request is here: if you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and likes also. So friends, let's discuss. So guys, you can see here point number A, participating organizations. Here are some banks who are participating in this exam, in this selection process. These are some banks, right friends? And likes Bank of Baroda, BOB, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, and like some banks like Yoko, Punjab. These are some banks, right friends? And what is next is here is important for you guys, is that the tentative schedule of events, right? This is tentative schedule. What is tentative dates, which is very important for you guys, right? So let's see what is written here. So friends, you can see here is online registration including edit modification of application by candidates. It's 2nd September 2020 to 23rd September 2020, right? And what is this payment last date is 23rd September. And here are some important tentative dates you can see here. And what is important dates is for online examination for prelims. Its schedule here is December, right? These are three dates. It's 5, 12, and 13. Three dates for preliminary examination. And this is online examination for mains. And here it is 24th Jan 2021, right friends? These are some basics and which is very most important tentative dates to you guys. Okay friends, let's discuss what is important points for you guys in next slides. In next slides we will discuss is eligibility criteria. You can see here, right friends? And what is eligibility criteria is friends, you can see here it is nationality or citizenship. Basics is basic instruction here as citizen of India, citizen of Nepal and Bhutan. And next is what is the age criteria is important here, age criteria. And its minimum age is 20 years and maximum is 28 years. This is for UR category, right friends? And what is relaxation for upper age limit, right friends? This is our age relaxation. And who category is what relaxations is given by IBPS is written here. For SC and ST category, you can age relaxation of 5 years and so on. This is our some age relaxations, right friends? So what is important for you guys, let's discuss in next slide. Friends, here you can see point number E is for online examination. This is the structure for online examination. This is for pre-examination. And in pre-examination you have three sections: English, numerical ability, and reasoning ability. And all of these have multiple choice question. And each have numerical ability and reasoning have 35 question, and English have 30 question. And each has 20 minutes, here you can see. And total allotted time for you guys is 60 minutes. So this is for all about pre-examination. So let's discuss for main examination. So guys, here you can see it's for main examination, right? Here is for main examination. It's four section. First section is for general and financial awareness, second is general English, third is for English ability and computer aptitude, and last one is quantitative aptitudes. And here you can see number of question, maximum marks, and this is your for time for these sections, right friends? So you can see here uh, what is the category, what are the functions, what are the process for this exam, and important what are all about another important topics, another important points for you guys. Let's discuss in another slide. Guys, here is very important for you note that how to apply this form. So guys, as we all know, is applying online this form starts from 2nd to 23rd September, and this is online mode only, right? And what are the how to apply, and what are the conditions? So let's see here what is written here, right friends? First is your photograph, signature and left thumb impression you have to given there, and what are important points here is that a handwritten declaration you have to given in this notification, the online form, right friends? And let's discuss what are the important points. So uh, so guys, what are the procedure of online applying? So let's discuss. Here are some noted 5 to 6 step process from where you can online here you can apply online, right friends? So I read for you, and you can own read these instructions, right friends? Some important points I will share with you, right friends? This is point number one. Candidates are first required to go to the IBPS websites, as we know, ibps.in, and click on home page to open the link CRP clerks, and then click on the option, click here to apply online for CRP clerks 10 to open the online application form, right friends? This is the first step. And what is the second step I will discuss with you, and this is the second step. Candidates will have to click here for new registration, right friends? You have to click on new registration link. And what is your third step? Candidates are required to upload their what? Let's discuss in our next slide. So friends, this is your required documents is your photograph, this is your signature and left thumb impression, and last one is your handwritten declaration, right friends? Here are four important documents you have to apply there, right friends? So what are next important points you have to mind in your mind? Let's discuss in next slide. So guys, in last I will discuss with you some vacancies in respective states and union territories, and this is for Andaman and Nicobar. And if you see here for NR, if you see here NR and 0, and what is NR? NR is for not reported, right friends? If some banks is written here is NR, it means that some vacancies are some vacancies will be, right friends? It's some vacancies will be increased in future, right friends? So in next let's we see here some vacancies here in respective states, like you can see here for Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, and Assam, and all these states. Like if you are belongs from Bihar, you can see here some total vacancies here from Bihar is about 76. Here you can see your 76, right friends? Or let's uh, come down. This is Chandigarh, this is Chhattisgarh. Here you can see Dadar and Nagar Haveli, that is for Delhi. This is for Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, like Jammu Kashmir. and this is from Jharkhand, right friends? And what are the total vacancy from Jharkhand is 55, and in UR category it is 28, right friends? It's a good vacancy from Jharkhand in current in 2020 years, right friends? And let's go down. This is for Karnataka, Kerala, Lakshadweep, and all these states and union territories have some vacancies, and this is depends on you where you apply from. I suggest you apply. You can apply from your home states, right, friends? So here is all about this notification. It's a very good news for you guys, and fill this form before your end dates. Don't do not wait to the last date, right friends? And it's a very good news, and prepare well for these exams, and do some hard work, and this is my suggestion, friends. And if you like this video, and so share this video with your friends, and if you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share with your friends. And thank you, friends.